Facing regulatory audits is a daunting task for RAM from the QMS department at Acme Pharma. The company records all information on pre-approved paper forms, and some in Excel, making it difficult to locate documents demanded by auditors from a stack of thousands. This process takes a toll on human resources and productivity. Consolidating and presenting information to auditors poses additional challenges, such as document originality, illegible handwriting, and difficulty locating authors. The Contineo platform with NeoPilot as a super AI assistant offers a solution. NeoPilot enables citizen developers like RAM to create custom software without technical backgrounds. Let's take a comprehensive tour of how RAM can create an equipment calibration log tracker on the Contineo platform with the help of NeoPilot. Click the plus icon to create a new application. Select the application from Text Requirements template from the template panel. Provide your requirements to NeoPilot, your own software engineer AI for automated application development. Receive results tailored to your requirements. Satisfied? Click the Start Building button. Entities and fields automatically created. Proceed by clicking Next. Click Finish. Voila! Your web application is created. Run your application with confidence. Explore how RAM can empower himself to achieve his development goals. Searching and maintaining equipment logs has never been so easy. Also, importing and exporting data is seamless for RAM. RAM can now easily track all changes in detail through the audit log. RAM can also assign user roles and permissions. Operational logs record all the user operations, including login, logout, and import-export. Moreover, RAM can configure approval workflows from within the application itself. And he can also visualize data in custom dashboards using the in-app UI builder. Seamlessly and efficiently experience the automation of application development today.